How to share your BeReal on Facebook. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to share your BeReal on Facebook. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you have a BeReal post that you'd like to share on your Facebook account, first what you need to do is open up the BeReal app on your mobile device and then go ahead and find the BeReal that you'd like to share. So it could be the latest one that you've posted on the My Friends tab, or you can tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner and go back through all of your memories to find the post that you'd actually like to share. But I'm just going to share this latest one, so I'm just going to tap on it. And then at the bottom you can see there's 4 different options. So the last one on the right is the Facebook option, so just tap on that option. And now this is going to open up the Facebook app on your mobile device, so ensure that you're logged into your Facebook profile before you tap on that. And then it's going to give you the options to complete this action using Facebook newsfeed, set as your profile picture, share to a group, or share as your story. So for this instance, for this one, I'm just going to tap on newsfeed, but feel free to tap any of the other options that you'd like. And as you can see, this has just opened up my Facebook app and it's getting ready to share my BeReal to my newsfeed. So just go ahead, say something about this photo, type in the message you'd like, share it with the people you'd like, tag anyone you'd like, and then go ahead and post it in the same way that you would any other newsfeed story that you post on Facebook. And that's all it takes to share your BeReal on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.